bite my finger off.
Oh. And my finger.
That looks really good. Procedure's done.
Let's release her. Now the lion is happy and healthy, but we still have fences. The weaker rhinos.
Let's go! Make good shot, Chandler!
Get into its own space so the other big rhinos here don't kill it. By shooting them with vaccines. Actually deliver a massive dart filled with life-saving medicine.
Enjoy your vaccines! Have a great day! Enjoy your medicine! Four unvaccinated drafts! 3 unvaccinated drafts!
Let's go. She's gone.
The lions are now free from the dangers of war and